I still remember when we were just talking and dreaming about this moment. Bala mo kapilat pa niyang pisasabihan tamo ini. And finally, apin na ini. It's real.
You stole the light from the stars above and brought it here tonight.
Ang bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang nung pinagkukwentuhan pa lang natin at pinaplano ito. 8 LDR tayo nun. At yung pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan, a week before, nung flight nyo ni nanay, pauwi dito sa Pinas, is yung nangyayaring kaguluhan sa ibang bansa. Nakakabahala, pero sinabi ko na lang lagi sa sarili ko, sa iyo is, if it's God's will, it will be.
And I'm falling for you.
So we started friendship. Group of friends kami, parang around 8 kami. Nag-start kami sa asaran, ganon. Then match sa isa't isa. Kasi meron kaming magkaibigan na nagkatuluyan din. And then, yun, dati hindi ko ina-entertain kasi I put the boundaries between us kasi kaibigan ko siya.
Kung sa tagal ng pagkilala sa isa't isa, Diyos nating mahabagin, tamang-tama pa rin. Dahil mula pa sa high school, magkakilala na kayo. Ngunit sa kabila ng pagkilala nyo, sa tagal ng panahon na magkakilala kayo, pinili pa rin ninyo ang isa't isa.
And I'm falling for you. And I'm falling for you. I wanna love you.
I-advise ko kaya ka to. Kaya ka magbayo, luburan may asawa mo ngayon. Dakala salamat.
Ano po sinabi na ayaw na anak ko ngayon eh. Sana luburan na yung higit po ang pamaglubog po ang mana.
Lang, thank you kay gana-gana. Magandang pasalamat di kang may tingin. Daka salamat kay gana-gana sa sakripisyon bigay mo kay kami. Diyan may aksawa na ako, magbayit ang lugod ko kaya anak.
Salamat to.
Through the darkest days, through the seasons change, I wanna love you right.
Together we will build our marriage on the unshakable foundation of the Lord, trusting His hand to guide us through every valley and lift us to every mountain top. I will stand by your side in laughter and in tears, in times of plenty and in times of need, forever your partner, your love, and your best friend.
Till our breath is gone and we can't hold on. I wanna love you right. I wanna love you
Congratulations sa'yo. Napakaswerte mo dahil ako ang nakatuluyan mo. At syempre, sobrang grateful and blessed ko kay Lord dahil ikaw ang mapapangasawa ko. Parang Enzo. Paring Paul. Genesis. Paring Romel. Wow! Yan, kulit nila. Thank you!
Under the blood moon, we're frozen in time.
Wow, Jana. Okay. Thank you, sis. Uy, ito shades ko. Carl, saan shades ko meto? Thank you!
It's chemical. Don't ask me why, 'cause I don't know. You're part of me. It's chemical. It's chemical. It's chemical. It's chemical. It's chemical.
Kapag kayo'y nagtapat sa harapan ng Panginoon ng inyong pagmamahalan habang buhay, wala ng Robert kung walang Shaira.
This day, surrounded by our loved ones and friends, I promise to support, cherish, and love you unconditionally. I vow to be your best friend, partner in all of life adventures. I swear to God, our Lord, na together we will have the complete and happy family na pinapangarap natin. I love you so much, my love, palagi.
It's chemical. You're in my heart, you're in my bones, you're part of me. It's chemical. Don't ask me